Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this video is about how we can model the rigid support very easily on SP3D software.
Let's change the task. Here you see hangers and support tasks is there in a smart plan 3D. Click here. Then what you have to do. There are the various methods to draw the support, like by using the place support by structure, place support by point, or place support by reference. But if you have the structure nearby your pipeline, then you can choose this place support by structure. Or if you want to support model at the specific point like here, so there is no support by the structure, then you can model by support by using the point, by using the logical. You can do the logical here and model your support. And this third option is also there. By if there is any reference or nearby any reference, from that reference you can model the support like horizontal, like this. So we have to model here we have the structure, so we can take by the support by using the structure. So for that, click here, place support by structure. Then here you can select one or more feature to support. Feature means the piping parts on which the support will be hanged. So this is our feature. After selecting that, you have to click the left click of your mouse. As you already know, if you using SmartPlan 3D normally, so select that. It will be highlighted in yellow color, and we have to double click here on the right icon. So double click here like one. Okay, so it can be okay. So we click here and select one or more structure. Now here you read select one or more structure members for your support attachment. Like I already told, here we record the support. If we use this first option, so this is our support structure. I click here and again the structure will be highlighted in yellow color. Now this time we have to select the type of support. Here you can give the pipeline. If you select the feature, then the pipeline name already appear by default. Or you can change the pipeline number by using this. You can select the pipeline from your hierarchies. Okay, this is the okay. Now we have to select the type of support. Here, click on this icon and click on more. Here you find the different variety of support. Like this, this will be appear. I will minimize that and show what will be there. Okay, so this is the starting home page or window. We have to maximize this plus icon, and here you find the rigid support. So maximize that. Here also you can expand. So this video I will tell how we can model this L section, a rigid rod trapeze support. Okay, guys, I make the video on SmartPlan 3D regularly. I uploaded 21 lectures on SmartPlan 3D. You also can visit and check in video section of this channel. You can also subscribe and learn how we can model SmartPlan 3D as well piping as well as structure as well as electrical part also. I covered most of them. Also, I covered the GAD drawing, isometric drawing, and various type of report. How we so click here, rigid rod trapezial section. After clicking that, here part number will appear. So you have to click on the any part number. We can change if you choose any part number. It doesn't matter. We can change by using the properties, the value, whatever you want. So I support this first and click on the OK. We have to wait. Okay, here you find the support already visible by green highlighted. Just we have to finish here and just load that. Okay, so as you see the support model successfully. Here you can see in a helicopter view also like this. It's perfectly model under the your pipeline. Okay, and it will be hang on the structure. Here you see. If you want to change if the length or the size of rod or size of this member, below that pipe, just go to pipe's member part or support component, click on that, and here we have to go to the property section. I hope you like this video, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel, and if you want any specific video you can comment me, so I will make the video on that. Thank you guys.